One tire that the man them stop up. Two tire man them stop up.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know the man of peace, and me always set the balance of the streets. Living love and unity and strength, you know what I mean? Yeah man, anyone that checking from the platform right now, love and blessings, you know, so why you say straight positivity. So in this vlog, yeah, I think some local tensions in our part of Taws, you see me? Yes, I'm showing you some local footage still, and I don't know still, but going up against the law, you can't win, you know. So sometimes, you know, Jamaica culture already, acidity, and the people, them deal with the police, them any farm away, them afraid, you know. I'm not saying, and every police good, have some police bad still, you know what I mean? So, showing some local footage, and when you can, let me know what you think in the comment section. But the man, them punch at the police car, them windscreen leak out, and boy, I mean, I know still, but, and I'm the man of peace. You see it? Yeah, but watch some footage of my viewers and subscribers.
One tire that the man them stop up. Two tire man them stop up. Whoa. Four tire that and three tire that then stop up. Four tire that. Man them punch a whole four tire on the vehicle to blow. People don't stop up a vehicle tire. Four tire them stop up. Four one. Oh, 4-1. I saw a vehicle.
Yeah, but boy, I tell you, the person who do that, them brave, you know. What if the police them did all pass around, come back to the vehicle and see them do it in action? No, sir. You know, sir, I record that now. You see if I go come in the vehicle. But let me know what you think about that, viewers and subscribers. Boy, I tell you, star. What's the next clip in there?
Alright. See that one back tire. But then stop. See stop mark there? One back tire that. On the vehicle here. So one corner one stop. See that one here? That's back tire stop. See mark, yes sir. See there? But then stop it up. So this vehicle now, same thing for one now. Yeah man. See what this road so they cut it around this look like. So 1 each. Oh boy.
I board that one vehicle, the man them mash up in the punch at the tire. Yo, slash. The man say, ah boy, yo, the person who do that brave. You see me, but we have to respect the police them still, and you know what I mean. But as I say, everybody different, you know what I mean. Yeah man. I remember the police them order to serve and protect, and don't care what. You have good police, bad police, and but let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Watch our next clip in here.
Me nah make no shot go catch you. Watch out! Oh, yeah, you must have one the head.
Yo, stone and buckle them a fling off by police them, you know. This remember back in the days that my place, pain lad. Yo, regular them all bingy them use slingshot. Bust out some police said and them thing. Them man them with them slingshot, you know. Steel. You know the slingshot, you know what I mean? Stone buckle. Buckle them, stone them brave, cause sometimes the police them fire shot in the year, you know. And sometimes the police them fire tear gas, sometimes them even fire for arm them too. But you know, at different time now still we have phone and camera, so police them have to be cautious. And you know, in the come and them thing there, but the citizens them most of the garrison them I saw them operate. You see me? You know, I'm the man of peace and you know what I mean, we can deal with things different still. You know what I mean? We don't know what cause the police them for reaching a tyres. You know the crime and violence, the crime escalate and the police them try to dissolve it in any way them can. But me always say you can't beat the law, you know. You cannot win. If you go up against the law, you're not gonna win. I mean, but it's just sad to see how the country are. So Jamaica stand it not change, you know. It not change. But when I bring this forward phone, I can see what go on. The man them slash up the police them vehicle dog. I see all one where the windscreen mash out. You see me? Them bust out the windscreen like them drop a big stone in it. Yo, I tell you, John will start, but I hope you know, nobody no really lost their lives in any form of way or innocent get hurt also, you know. Police them know who them a go for, who them after, and sometimes police them even want to do them job and can't get for it good because the citizens them run out. You see me? And we all know that sometimes the citizens them protect the youth them will go on with them foolishness. You see me? Families and friends and baby mother and all of them things there, but I love and unity we say, you know, love and peace and unity and strength, dog. You see it, I hope. You know, I wish me could have, as me saying in my song, you know, if I could work magic, crime would have vanished. Yet Anna Francis that left me astonished. Now stop pray till the message reach all over the 14 parish. From downtown right back to Spanish, the gun trafficking and killing forget abolish. Wish I could get rid of it like all the Saturn get rid of the nail polish. Man a crime agent, me ready to fight crime, me have no patience. When me say fight crime, me not attack action, lyrically, you know me sang me have to note a statement. You know what I mean? Produced by DJ Baba, crime agent, you know? DJ Baba Music. You see? But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. I love our unity and strength, man, and the police them is having a hard time, a tough time, you know, to do their job. About 4 vehicles, I got all more vehicles to mash up. Man, them slash the tire them. This one a vehicle, I'm 4 tire gone for it. So it was a new tire them there, and wreck off go come for them, you know. And I mean, yes, but Jaja. Big up on yourself and don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know, the man of peace. Me always set the balance off the streets. You know what I mean? If you watch the vlog right now, big up yourself, take care of yourself and your loved ones, you know what I mean, and be safe. Like anywhere you're there in the world, you see it? Yeah man, I'm the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.